In this video, I'll show you how to fix missing VCRUNTIME140.dll error in Windows 10 or 11. The VCRUNTIME140.dll missing error usually happens when a program can't find the required Microsoft Visual C++ with distributable files. To be able to fix that, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Download and install both version 86 and 64 from the Microsoft's official site. Go ahead and search Microsoft Visual C++ on your browser. Click on this latest supported Visual C++ redistributable, and in here, go ahead and download the appropriate version, such as the x86 and x64 version. After installation, go ahead and restart your PC. Another thing that you can do to resolve this problem is to manually replace the DLL file. So download VCRuntime140.dll from a trusted resource and place it in C:/Windows/System32 for 64-bit systems or C/Windows/SysWow64 for 32-bit systems. The last option that you have to resolve this problem is to go ahead and run System File Checker or SFC, open command prompt as an administrator, and run sfc/scan now. This will scan and repair missing or corrupted system files. That's basically how you can fix missing VCRuntime140.dll error in Windows 10 or 11. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.